What if I told you one simple drink before bed could fix your cough, sore throat, and even insomnia? I assure you, once you know what this is good for, you'll want to do it every single night. The reason will amaze you, so stay until the end because today you'll learn the correct way to prepare it, how to consume it, and everything this simple cinnamon and milk mixture can do for your health. This incredible infusion can relieve cough, sore throat, the flu, and is a fantastic natural remedy for insomnia, plus so much more. Before we get to the simple preparation and consumption, you'll need just a few ingredients: 1 cinnamon stick, 200 milliliters of milk, and honey to taste. That's optional. To prepare, simply add the milk and cinnamon to a pot. While it boils, stir with a spoon for about 5 minutes, and it'll be ready to enjoy. It's important to drink it warm, and if you want to add honey, remember, it's optional. As I said, this amazing blend of cinnamon with milk is truly excellent for coughs, sore throats, flu, diarrhea, insomnia, and many other health benefits. Don't miss out on these incredible benefits. Like, save, and share this video with someone who needs it, then hit follow for daily health hacks.